Mozambique says cholera cases up to 271 in cyclone-hit city. Beira, Mozambique. Cholera cases among cyclone survivors in Mozambique have jumped to 271, authorities said, a figure that nearly doubled from the previous day. The Portuguese news agency Luzes cited National Health Director Usanis, who declared the outbreak of the acute diarrheal disease on Wednesday with just 5 cases. So far no cholera deaths have been confirmed, the report said. Another Lusa report: the cholera cases have been discovered in the port city of Beira, whose 500,000 residents and especially those in crowded, poor neighborhoods are at particular risk. Children and other patients curled up on bare beds at a treatment center in Beira on Saturday, some with anxious parents by their side. They had intravenous. Doctors Without Borders has said it is seeing some 200 likely cholera cases per day in the city, where relief workers are hurrying to restore the damaged water system and bring in additional medical assistance. The World Health Organization has said some 900,000 cholera vaccine doses are expected to arrive on Monday, with a vaccination campaign starting later in the week. Cholera is spread by contaminated food and water and can kill within hours if not treated. The disease is a as health responders stress the need for better disease surveillance. The United Nations Deputy Humanitarian Coordinator in Mozambique, Sebastian Rhodes Stampa, has said all cases of diarrhea are being treated as though they are cholera. Cholera is endemic to the region, and it. Doctors Without Borders has said other suspected cholera cases have been reported outside Beira in the badly hit areas of Buzet, Tita and Anamathandak, but the chance of spread in rural areas is smaller because people are more dispersed. Mozambican officials have said Cyclone Idai destroyed more than 50 health centers in the region, complicating response efforts. The cyclone also killed at least 259 people in Zimbabwe and 56 in Malawi. The United Nations has said some 1.8 million people need urgent help across the Soudan, largely rural region. Follow Africa News at https://twitter.com/apafrica. Search for location/city.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.